So hi and hello there. Welcome to the new video of the course, and in this particular video we are going to see one numerical or one question on slope of line. Okay, so I'm giving you one question. So this is the question: find the slope of a line passing through points passing through points passing through points G and H. Okay, so these are the 2 points that I'm giving to you. So let's suppose G is equivalent to, this is given in the question, G is equivalent to -4 comma -5, and let's suppose H is given as -1 comma -2. Okay, so these are the values that are provided in the question. So before proceeding further, what I will like to tell to you all guys is, please pause this video over here and try to solve this particular numerical on your own, and then whatever value you might get, either it might be correct value or it might be wrong value, that's absolutely fine. We are here to learn something. Okay, so whatever value you are getting, then you please try to match that particular value. If you are getting wrong answer, that is absolutely valid, that is absolutely fine. Okay, that doesn't mean that you are doing you are a failure. Okay, so please try it. It's my request to you all guys, please pause this video over here and try to solve this particular numerical on your own. Okay, alright, so now it's my turn to solve this particular numerical. So what I will do over here is this. That means what? I will assume this particular value, that means these 2 points as x1 comma y1. Okay, and these 2 particular points as x2 comma y2. It's up to you. You can also assume this particular points as x2 y2, and you can also assume this particular points as x1 y1. It's up to you. Right now I'm assuming that point G has x1 y1 and point H as x2 y2. It's up to you. Let me just copy this particular thing and we will proceed further. Let me just move this particular 2 points little above, and then we are good to solve this particular numerical, right? So we know slope can be written as, so just a second, let me use some vibrant color. Yeah, so we know that slope of any line is given as del of y, right? Del of y upon del of x, and this is equivalent to y2 minus of y1, right, upon x2 minus of x1. And we know that y2 is nothing but, over here as you can see, it is minus of 2 minus, what is y1? y1 is minus of 5. So you should write this particular thing in bracket, minus of 5, which is getting divided by x2. What is x2? x2 is minus of 1 minus, what is x1? x1 is minus of 4, right? And thus this particular thing pans out to be, see, this is minus 2 and this is plus 5, right? And this is minus 1 and this is plus 4, right, which is equivalent to 3 by 3. So you are getting the value as 3 by 3, and thus your slope pans out to be what? 1. So the value of slope is 1. Slope is 1. I hope you are getting my point. You are able to understand this particular thing. Okay, so let me just highlight this particular thing. Yeah, the slope is 1. Okay, so I hope you understood this particular numerical. If you have any doubts in this particular numericals, feel free to ask me or chat with me in the communication section. Okay, so I am ending this video over here. Thank you.